guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a cinnamon roll video. I'm going to make Oreo cinnamon rolls, and I want to talk a little bit about why I decided to do a 30-day social media fast. Let's get started. The first reason that I decided to take a social media fast is because I felt like I was comparing myself to others. And then the next reason I decided to take a social media fast, I mainly needed to do like a mental and emotional reset. Like I needed to see what my goals and aspirations were aside from looking at others. I'm so funny. I forgot. The last reason why I wanted to take a break from social media is because I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to challenge myself to make connections in the real world. I was tired of relying on social media to connect with people, and I wanted to put myself out there and see who I would run into. Like, I wanted it to be fate, you know? I wanted it to be fate while I'm talking to somebody. I don't want it to be like a forced connection through social media. If you guys can relate at all. So yeah, and then I was feeling so like down, and I was comparing myself to others so much that I decided to do a 3-day Esther fast because I needed to recenter myself and figure out not only like what my purpose is here for, but what I needed to be doing in the waiting season, because I was getting weary. And during that 3-day Esther fast, I didn't use any social media. I didn't listen to any secular music. I only listened to the word. And I also listened to like self-motivation, things like that. But I banned myself from listening to music for that short period of time. So what's the 3-day Esther fast? And I won't say that I'm a pro because I'm not. I'm actually growing in my faith. A 3-day fast where you drink only liquids. Actually, water. It's a water only fast. And me personally, I did it for 3 days. And during the 3 days, you also have intentional prayer. And during my fast, I actually read the book of Esther. So I would describe it as a 3-day fast of intentional prayer and fasting. And my theme during the Esther fast was detachment, because I felt like I need to detach from where I think. I need to detach from where I thought my life would be like right now, because truthfully we don't know. I thought I would have been married by now, with kids by now, and I don't have either of those, but that doesn't make me any less than the next person. So I just wanted to detach from my thoughts and kind of live in the moment more and kind of see where the world takes me. Because at the end of the day, God placed me here for a reason. social media fast because I needed to confused because I'm like, oh, God never talks to me. Like, what do you mean? And during the social media fast, I was watching this girl, and she was just saying how God kept speaking to her through thunder. And I felt bad because I was like, God, he never talks to me. Anyway, God, during the social media fast, God was talking to me through dreams. So what I would do is I would pray before I go to bed at night, and then I would dream. And the dream would answer the prayer that I prayed about. So I started to realize that I heard God through dreams. And I want to tell you guys, so what I would do after I would dream about something, I would wake up and I would journal. Throughout this 3-day process, I spent a lot of time journaling. And I want to tell you guys about a couple of things that I've learned, and maybe it can help you too. And these are scriptures that I wrote down. So I'm going to read them on my iPad. The first one, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it will speak and it will not lie. Though it tarries, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry. I'm about to blend all these ingredients up, and then we'll talk. To me is that there's a time and a season for everything, and just live in the moment is kind of what I get from it. Like, just live in the moment. The next verse is, he cuts off every branch of me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes so that it will be even more fruitful. So I feel like right now I'm in a pruning season, but I'm at this point where I'm like, man, I feel like I've been in a pruning season forever. And somebody told me once, they said, people come to your life for a reason. They're either blessings or lessons. Figure out which one they are. They might be a branch, a leaf, or a root. And I've really felt that for a long time, I only had branches. I really felt that for a long time, I only had leaves in my life. And I've always wondered, like, man, when am I going to get the roots? When am I going to get somebody that's going to be around for the long haul?